What's going on, guys? So I'm actually going to take a little break on this video from car stuff. I know do some cold starts, just because it is a automotive channel. But as I am here changing the oil in the 32 in the drain, I was thinking back in the day I had some cool dive videos I never posted up of scuba diving. So for our little break from the little car stuff, I'm just going to do a quick little 3-minute segment of some scuba diving stuff in the Hood Canal, which gives those a little perspective of some underwater life. So anyways, you guys might like it, you might not. I just want to put it up. It's some old footage I had from a couple years ago, so hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little different, but why not, right? Anyways, good news. The oil is all drained out and new oil is in the 32. Got the 33 back from UP Garage, much faster now, you know? But check this out. That's why I have to hold my hood up because I don't have a hood prop tied to the garage. Anyways, you guys take care and see you on the next one.